very top, Largulu. What you're talking about? What you're talking about?
And a share. Other one.
Ah, it's a bad wolf. Yeah.
And the wolf wants to eat them.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
It's delicious. What?
The goat. She went to the house. She did not see them. They're all gone. They're all in a teapot.
Really?
All in the teapot.
And they're hiding. And here. Because they landed there. They all gone.
Hello, horsey.
I didn't go close. It's great.
And that's the end.
You didn't have to go closer.
That's the
honey.
story.
And that's the end. Yeah, I like your story.
That's the one that's still standing there. It's a young stallion, eh?
What one next? Which one is the story?
I like to listen to the story of the 3 piglets and the bad wolf.
Okay. At the back, the mama said, "This has those ones. You know, go to the pigs, and I want to make sticks, and I want to make straw." And the first pig got house with straw and sticks and bricks. You understand now? And that's the end.
That's the end already.
Yes, the bad wolf eat them already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what happened to the... I thought the 3 pigs, they are safe. They went to the house that made of bricks. And the bad wolf did not go, did not break it. I cannot break it. He could not break it. So
And what's
the bad wolf went to the chimney.
and how the other story?
Okay, I want another story.
Which one?
Which one? The elephant. Or
And the
any
tiger?
stories that you know.
Still won't gonna howl.
It's a cow.
Okay, it's a cow. Story about the cow.
And the tiger.
Okay, the tiger.
Very bad. And then and he have sore nails.
Really?
Yeah.
The tiger had sore nails, and then
She'll kill, and then the cow was eating grass. And the tiger come all wild, and the small tigers are babies. Is what their house, family house, mommy and baby. So this was 3 tigers, and
oh no. Hi.
why don't he go there?
What color of the horsey?
Why, that's my horse.
That's your horsey. Okay.
It's the end
It's the end already, the story.
because the tiger eat them.
Okay. And the other horsey coming. What color the other horsey coming?
Brown is my horse.
That's your horses?
Yes,
What's their names?
Auntie and Nomsi.
Ampi and Nomti.
Yeah,
Okay. Hi Ampi. Hi Nomti.
I'm telling mom story.
Yeah, I'm telling mom story.
Look,
Ay,
see?
kissing.
No, I don't know.
Wait. Don't bite. Wait.
Yeah, but bite
What?
on it.
What's they doing?
I don't know. It's just playing. Si Nomte, what the other one? Humpty and Nomte.
Got electric fence there.
Ah, it's male. The white is male. Is that electric fence?
Yeah, the white thing on it.
And what is
Right.
which one? Tiger, all that thing.
Bye bye,
Which
horsey.
one?
Another story?
Yes.
It's about
Got
the.
enough? Did you get enough?
So we made it to the top. Bye.
Which one?
Ah, they are both male.
Which one? Which one, Mom?
Story? Any story that you will tell me, I will listen.
It's which one?
Any, I said any story.
Any?
Yeah, it's about the what? Ah, it's about Marcia and the bear.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And the big bad wolf.
Mm-hmm.
Ha! And then the big bad wolf come. He was a silly wolf,
Silly wolf.
greedy and bad. He was bad, but to eat Masha and Bear.
Really?
He was very hungry. So much bear. He jumped and he was it was blood the feet.
There's blood in the feet.
Yay! Uh-oh, I hear something.
Oh, I hear something. What you hear?
It's a bad bear.
Oh dear.
It's inside of us.
Oh no.
Bear,
Oh,
run!
slowly. Slowly. There's a bad bear at the back. Don't run. You'll be tired. Wait.
We're shouting a tiger!
You're shouting at a tiger.
And the bear trying to chase you.
Oh dear.
Run!
The bear trying to chase you. Run. Looks like she's not tired from going up there.
Go over there.
Dad, watch out. Chimney. Which story I want? You're not finished it with Marcia and the bear. Oh, just tell me about the fireman Sam.
And tiger,
Mm.
big tiger.
Mm.
It
How
was-
they kill the fire.
have a hole.
Kill. Stop the fire. Huh?
You have a water inside.
Mm-hmm.
The like that. What?
Like that.
And
And
they saw big fire.
then
They saw big fire, really big, and there's a monster inside it. They look at monster. They run away. They hide in the bushes.
hide in the bushes.
Big bush.
Where is the bushes?
There.
That's the bushes there.
Person, come out of there.
Come out, fireman Sam.
It's dragging there.
It's Jaggy. Dali na.
finish one story now.
Wait, what? Another story?
Yes.
Finish na ang Fireman Sam?
Yes.
That's quick. You hear that? You hear that? What's that?
It's my water.
It's your water. Still. There's water there, no?
Yes. Where's one story now?
What story I want to hear? I don't know. What can you tell me? Anything. I'll listen. Any story.
About,
Story about.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know that. Mom.
Story about. Don't know what story you can tell me. Scooby-Doo.
No, it's finished.
It's finished on Scooby-Doo. I never heard of it.
I tell to my friends,
You tell to your friends.
and it was the end. I talked to my friend. It was the end.
You told to your friend it was the end.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
I left it in the bushes and I can't get it
What is that?
because the snake. I would run away because the snakes didn't see me. I was hiding with here and he was thinking.
As if you're not tired from the hill.
That
You're
Mom,
okay? You're not tired going up the hill and down? Up and down, you enjoy it?
yes,
Did you like it?
yeah,
You have picnic at the top, no?
yeah.
No, don't play with that. That's dusty.